What's up YouTube? Jason here. Today I'm going to go over my dividend portfolio. I took advantage of this dip, this crazy market dip, and my dividends have now surpassed 3 digits. I'm making triple digit dividend income yearly. So I'm really excited about that. And what is going on with the market right now? One day it's up 10%, the next day it's down 13%. What are we to make of this? How are we dealing with this? I think today we're going to just kind of take it easy, keep the research a little to a minimum, and get this going. I also want to wish everyone affected by this global pandemic well wishes, thoughts, prayers, what have you. Keeping things in perspective is important to me. I have a family, so I hope everyone is okay right now, and we can get on and continue our lives when all this mess is over. All right, let's get you guys in for a little closer look. Okay, so right now Chubb is down 6.8%, Aflac 8%, Johnson & Johnson 1.9%, AbbVie 3.3%, Pfizer's down 0.5%, Leggett 8.2%, Coke 8.6%, my fractional share of Pepsi's down 0.5%, Target's actually up 1.2%, Ford down 10%, General Parts 8.5%, DCI 9.6%, JP Morgan fractional shares down 6.3, sorry. People's Bank 3.5%, Wells Fargo 4.5%, Key 6.45%, down 11%. That's going to be a good buy here soon. Let's see here. WPC, what is WP Carry? 7.3%, Stag 1.8%, Chatham Lodging is down 20%. I mean, the travel industry, the tour industry is just being hammered by this global pandemic. Tanger is down 777s, 7.77%. American Waters down 1.17%. KMI 14.6%, Enbridge 6.4%. AT&T 4.3%, Nuker 8.2%, Hummerish 8.8%, Exxon 4.5%, Royal Dutch Shell 6.8%, British Tobacco 2.5%. My most risky investment right now, PSEC, I just on a whim because it was cheap, I bought a few shares for the high yield. That was the one time I was like, oh well, I have a little bit of spare change, so I was thinking about doing that with that Apple Cash in my last video where we talked about free money for investing. That's down 10%. My fractional share of Apple down 2%. Microsoft 1%. Vanguard ETF 4.6%. Noble 4.2%. SPHD 5.2%. Vanguard total stock 4.6%. And my free stock for that I received from a referral is actually up 3.2%. That's funny, the free stock, one of the few, is up. So everything's down today, but tomorrow, the way it's been, likely to go up. And even if not, if it keeps going down, then that's fine. We're just gonna keep doing what we're doing. Okay, now that I've covered my losses, let's go ahead and cover the fun stuff, my dividends. I finally surpassed the triple digit figures. It's not a ton, but when I first got started, I was making 15 cents. Now I'm over $100 and some. So let's go ahead and cover that. Something you can control, the thing that was so cool about this investing thing is that like right now, if I wasn't down, I'd be over 3,000 total invested, which, as I said in a previous video, when I surpassed 2,000, which quickly dropped down to like 1,600, I was like, I've never saved up or invested that much before in my life. But now I can say I've done over 3,000. So let me show you those numbers. Okay, as you can see, I've got my numbers pulled up. I'm using Apple numbers to keep track that's one of the dividend trackers I use. This is the more comprehensive list. So let's go ahead and see. So I'm getting right over here is my annual income. And my biggest investment I've made so far, I wanted to take advantage of the dip last week. I invested $1,000 into the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. At the time, it was trading at 128, and now we're down about almost 1/4%. But that bumped my income up $27, and that brought me to $109.46 yearly. So that's $109.46 that I don't have to work for. It's not free money, but it's passive money. It's easy money. I just relax and it just comes in like nothing. Piece of cake. All right, guys, that's it. We went over my numbers. It would be over $3,000 if we weren't experiencing this crazy volatility. I'm up over $109 dividends. Those dividends, those payments will get reinvested into the stocks I own, as I've shown in the DRIP, my previous video, the DRIP reinvesting. They're going to get reinvested to keep that compound interest ball rolling. If you liked what you've seen today, give me a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. These are tough times, but we will persevere. Thanks a lot so much. Take care.